This video is about how Captain America's shield defies physics, and the following clips are examples of the shield's amazing capabilities.
Working on it.
Oh. This video explains how Captain America's shield bounces off objects and hits targets. So the path of the shield moving towards the wall is called the incidence ray. The path of the shield exiting the wall is called the reflection ray. Imagine a line perpendicular to the wall the angle between the incidence ray and the perpendicular line is called the angle of incidence. The angle between the perpendicular line and the reflection ray is called the angle of reflection. The angle of reflection and angle of incidence are always the same, and that's how Captain America's shield manages to bounce off the wall here and hit Thanos, because it hits off the wall and bounces off at the same angle and manages to hit him. However, this property applies to mirrors, and obviously the wall is not a mirror, and Captain America's shield is not a light ray. So his shield defies physics because it acts as a light ray and manages to reflect off the wall perfectly. Normal objects can't do that. So his shield is magical, and that's how it defies physics.
Never what?
Of course, Captain America makes it look a lot easier than it actually is. And it's a lot easier to throw in a straight line than it is to bounce it off an object. This video explains how Captain America's shield flies through the air. We can treat the shield like a frisbee. A normal frisbee flies in one direction and airflow travels over the frisbee in the opposite direction it's traveling. The bottom arrow stands for the direction the frisbee is flying, and the top arrow stands for the direction of airflow over the frisbee. Lift is an upward force resulting from decreasing the pressure on top of the object by increasing the velocity of the air flowing over the top of it. So, the faster the frisbee moves, the more lift is created. The pressure on top of the frisbee becomes lower than the pressure below the frisbee, causing the high pressure to lift the frisbee in the air. Gravity is constantly pulling the frisbee down towards Earth. Gravity pulling the frisbee down and lift pulling the frisbee up cause the frisbee to stay in the air. According to Marvel, Captain America's shield weighs 12 pounds and is made out of vibranium. Most frisbees are 1/4 of a pound and made out of plastic. The physics of a normal frisbee don't apply to the shield because of the weight and material of the shield. A 12-pound metal shield cannot move through the air like a 1/4 of a pound plastic shield because gravity would bring it down. In the comics, Captain America is also able to throw it at 40 miles per hour, which a normal human cannot do. The only way the shield can fly is if it's thrown at 40 miles per hour.